Welcome to Allies Leaf Lab. Today we're making delightful mint lemon popsicles, a refreshing treat that's sugar-free and full of vibrant citrus and herbal flavors. Perfect for hot days, these popsicles are simple to whip up. Let's get started. First, we'll slice our fresh lemons in half and juice them. The zesty lemon juice is the star of our popsicles, bringing all that bright flavor. As the sweet scent fills the kitchen, I can already sense a refreshing treat awaiting us. Next, we'll steep our mint leaves in hot water. This step releases the minty goodness that pairs perfectly with our lemon, creating a refreshing and aromatic blend. The steam rises, carrying the scent of fresh herbs. It's like summer in a cup. After steeping, we'll combine the lemon juice and mint infusion. A dash of stevia will sweeten this mix naturally, keeping it healthy without any added sugars or artificial ingredients. It's the perfect balance of sour and sweet. Now it's time to pour our minty lemon mixture into popsicle molds. Make sure each mold is filled evenly for a perfect freeze. The anticipation builds, as we know these will be worth the wait. After a few hours in the freezer, we'll unveil our frozen pops. These treats are perfect for a sunny day. Let's enjoy one outdoors, refreshing and guilt-free. Chill out with this garden treat that cools your body and lifts your spirit. Don't forget to subscribe to Allie's Leaf Lab for more herbal kitchen magic.